To make a side pocket on a trouser or a pant, we're going to be doing that on the front pattern alone. I mean the front piece of the trouser. And the first thing you want to do is to mark 1/2 inch, and from the 1/2 inch you're going to measure down to the pocket opening, just like you see me doing. If you want to have a type of pocket that is going to have a shape, you are going to go in by 2 inches or more, depending on how wide you want the opening to be, just like this one that I marked here. Okay, so you can have an inverted line like this, you can have a round shape, and you can also have it straight. So if you are going to be having it straight, the pocket opening should be between 5.5 to 6 inches, because you don't want it to be too wide, and at the same time it should be wide enough to accommodate your palm. Okay, then you're going to notch it like so. You're going to measure 1/2 inch, then you notch it. Then after that, on the pocket opening, you're going to notch it about 1/2 inch inward. Then for the pocket bag, we are going to cut a piece of fabric just like this one that I have here. It's going to be about 12 inches long and 6 inches wide, including the stitching allowance. Then you're going to be cutting 2 pieces for each side of the pocket. After this, you place the fabric wrong side facing each other like so. Then you're also going to create the pocket opening. So you measure from one side of the pocket bag like so, exact measurement you have on your trouser, the pocket opening you use. Then you're also going to notch. You're going to do the same thing on the other pocket. Then after this, you're going to stitch from, after this you're going to sew on 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, starting from that point that you notch all around. So after cutting it out, you can sew straight just like you have it, and you can also create a curve shape at the hem, just like this one that I have here. Then you're going to cut out any excess. After this, you turn to the wrong side of the fabric and you top stitch. The essence of notching is to make sure that you have 1/2 inch left for you to be able to attach it to the trouser. Now guys, I'm done, and this is what it's going to look like. To attach to the trouser, you're going to come in with your front pattern like this, and the points you notch earlier, the 1/2 inch and the pocket opening you notch earlier, you're going to be placing this on it as well. So this is the purpose of notching it, so that you'll be able to make use of the 1/2 inch allowance. So I'm going to mark 1/2 inch down from the pocket bag like so, and I'm going to notch it. The reason why you need to notch is because we only need that pocket opening area alone. So we are going to have something like this. So the notch should be alone like this. So you're going to stitch down the 1/2 inch, placing the right side, placing the pocket on the right side of the trouser like so. So I'm going to stitch down starting from this notch at the top down to the pocket opening. After that, you're going to flip to the wrong side, and you're going to have something like this. So the 1/2 inch that you have left on the second side of the pocket bag is going to be out like this. Then you're going to stitch down the 1/2 inch you have on the waistline. Okay, and you're also going to hold it down about 1/2 inch on the, exactly on that part where you have, exactly on the part where the pocket opening is. I'm done doing that, and here is what it will look like. Next thing you want to do is to place the back pattern piece on the front like so. So the 1/2 inch stitching allowance you have on the back is what you are going to join to the 1/2 inch allowance we have on the pocket bag here. You place it together and you stitch down 1/2 inch. So you stitch it in a way that you're not going to be sewing the pocket opening. Okay, so after sewing it, you should be able to dip your hand inside. So guys, I'm done, and here is what it's going to look like. This is what the wrong side is going to look like. And then by the time you're done, your pocket should be towards the center front on the front bodice. Then you're going to stitch it down on the waistline. So you repeat the same process on the other side of the trouser, and by the time you're done, this is what you should be able to insert your hand conveniently. And with this, we are done. The full tutorial on how to make this basic palazzo jumpsuit now live on our YouTube channel. Kindly check it out. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Till next time we meet again. Bye bye.